you up to?
Let's have it, guys. Cheers. Skater boy, why'd you pick up and leave? Skater boy, look what you done to me. I am not a toy that you can just play. Hi guys, it's me Aayushma and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys already read by the title, today I'm gonna be doing only eating red food for 24 hours. यो यस्तो खालको भिडियो चाहिँ मैले पहिलेदेखि धेरै नै देखिरहेको हैन, having a certain color food for 24 hours. I think it was like very trending on YouTube during 2019 अनि अहिले चाहिँ धेरैजना नेपाली युट्युबर्सहरुले यो च्यालेन्ज फिल्म गरेको मैले देखेको थिएँ अनि I thought it was very interesting, so I decided to why not to make one video to make use out of my channel. So yeah, today I'm filming only eating red food for 24 hours. And actually red food banala I actually had to went to the market to get a bunch of red foods. Ma chai hijo bhatbetini gaera I tried to find as much as red food I could. Tara there wasn't धेरै red food napaउने रहेछ, so you had to make it or either you had to add food coloring त्यस्तै. But anyway, I bought few good red stuffs from Bhatbetini yesterday. So let me just roll you guys back to the clip of yesterday when we went to Bhatbetini to pick some red foods. Finally alone, I figure on my own. I finally erased your number from my super phone. Riding around on your board with your angst and your issues, I guess that you scored on. I just wanna feel again, something that is real again. Thought that I was someone to you. Skater boy, now you're gone, I'm carefree. Skater boy, you. Without any delay, I would like to jump straight into the video without making you guys wait any further. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So hey guys, currently it's 9:36 and it's time that we have our first meal of the day. I know it's super late, at least for me, to have breakfast like at 9:30 because I usually have it around 8 or 7:30. I woke up late today, so that explains why my breakfast is so delayed. But anyway, I'm super hungry, I'm starving. So for my breakfast, I'm gonna be having bread and jam. I think I'm gonna be making myself bread and jam and we're just gonna enjoy the first meal of our day. Let's go to our kitchen, make it and have it because I'm starving. Let's go! Hi guys, I'm done making myself a breakfast. If you guys already saw, it is red basically. As you can see, this is like pure blood red and I'm very excited to have it. Excited banani, I'm super hungry, I'm starving. So I think I'm just gonna dig right in because oh wow, I'm hungry. And also the juice, this is like a pomegranate juice which I thought would be like a proper red, but it was like a bit red, but then I added ice so it's more lighter. I still consider it a red.
It's like peachy red, I guess, light red. I don't know what to call, but I thought it would be red, and it is pretty red. So yeah, and I really love having my meals in my room. Now let's have our meal. Guys, I'm hungry again, which means let's make another meal of the day. It's kind of like a lunch nahi bhannu haina. And if you're wondering what time is it, it's currently 12:05. Maile chai 9:30 ma, almost 9:45 tira I had my breakfast, and I'm already hungry. Like, I get hungry so fast. So for lunch we're going to be making kimchi fried rice. I've made it quite a bit, mal dherai choti banaisake past ma, and I clearly know that it has a nice red color, and I really love kimchi fried rice. Let's just go and make ourselves yummy, delicious kimchi fried rice. Let's go! Kimchi fried rice is ready. I know it does not look red at all, but I promise you guys, it is very red. It is very red, Bandhani. It is very red. The camera is not picking up. I don't know why. But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this now. Guys, now I'm just gonna finish my red kimchi fried rice. Apparently not completely red, it turned out to be slightish orangish red kind of tara ekdamai mitho bhacha. So I'm just gonna enjoy this, and I'm gonna meet you guys once I am hungry. हजुरहरुलाई म भोक लाग्यो भने भेट्छु. So yeah, see you then. Bye. Guys, this is right after I had my kimchi fried rice. That was delicious. त्यो खाको धेरै पनि भएको छैन हैन. But again, I'm still hungry. To be exact, it's currently 1:19. So it's currently just 1:19, and I wanted to try some snacks that I bought yesterday. I have few of them. So yeah, let's just see what I can have. So first thing that I wanna see is this wafer. So this wafer, it is clearly pink, बाहिरबाट pink देख्छ, तर apparently मलाई चाहिँ यो red देखाएको थियो के त्यही बेला. अहिले red देखिरहेछ है. So let's just see if it is red or pink. Clearly pink हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ, किनभने strawberry नि भनेछ नि त. No, it's clearly hot pink. Look at it. So guys, it's clearly hot pink, so that means I cannot have it. So next I got this के भन्छ jelly candy, whatever. Oh my god, guys, there are so many reds. Just look at it. Oh, let's have it, guys. Cheers. guys, actually yellow and red matra hundo रहेछ, so you can see कति धेरै रेडहरु छ. And I also have my Lay's right here. रातो यो चाहिँ म अहिले खाने. My camera's battery is flashing. Bye. See you guys.
A few moments later.
I decided to have your rato Lay's. So guys, यो चाहिँ भित्र चाहिँ यस्तो रहेछ हैन. It is red छ हैन. Red छ भन्नु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ. Just gonna enjoy these and the movie. And I'm just gonna meet you again when I am hungry. Bye. Hi guys, so currently it is dinner time. I let's say 7:44 back. So that means I am super hungry, starving. So for dinner, I'm gonna be having current noodles. Current xoxo चाहिँ एकदमै रातो हुन्छ. And yes, I decided to why not to have it for dinner. So I'm just gonna make myself some current noodles and just have that for my dinner. Let's just go and make some current noodles.
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. I'm here with my dinner. I have my red pomegranate juice and this pichi. I also have currant. This is like very red. एकदमै रातो भएको तर क्यामेराले चाहिँ पिक नगरे हो. I don't know किन पिक नगरे. So it's like very rato, also spicy probably. So I'm just gonna have this probably. अनि एकदमै गरम भइरहेको है. It's just so hot in here. I'm gonna have my noodles. Yeah, it's good. तर मेरो spice tolerance चाहिँ अलि बढेको छ, which I'm proud of. तर किन मलाई चपस्टिकले नि खाना आइरा छ. मलाई अझसम्म खाएको थिएन चपस्टिकले. त्यसको बारेमा नि I'm very proud of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna like probably finish like rest of my noodles. So this is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. I ended this challenge yesterday. किनभने बिहान the challenge was up to 9:36 अनि continuously 10:30 सम्म मेरो regular class भइरहेको थियो. त्यही भएर I didn't got a chance to have breakfast, so I directly had lunch that day. That was it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and also do let me know how do you guys think about this video, and please let me know more further video ideas that you would like to see from me. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next week's video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye. Love you.